In this video, I am going to tell you about the new update of WhatsApp new privacy policy. WhatsApp clears all the confusion, which is revolving in whole world, that all of us should delete WhatsApp account or switch to other apps like Signal or Telegram. All of this detail I am going to tell you in this video. Before all this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, so you will not miss any new video. Now let's start the topic of WhatsApp privacy policy, which is so trending these days on social media. People are concerned about the privacy issues. I already cleared in my last video that no need to be worried. They already have been collecting our all data. If you want to use WhatsApp further, then hit agree button, or switch to any new messaging app. First of all, see this screenshot. In this picture they are clearly saying that they keep records of our calls and message to secure our data. They don't leak and share our data. So, it's a very good thing because we use WhatsApp for calls and messages only, but there are 6 more things if you have noticed in a screenshot. I am explaining these things in details. 1. It says that WhatsApp doesn't keep record of our call log. It is recorded by our local network. 2. It says WhatsApp doesn't share our shared location to Facebook. As I already mentioned that Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, all are byproducts of Facebook. So they can share our location if they want to share. But they clearly said that they are not sharing shared location. 3. It says that they will not see our message or hear our calls. WhatsApp and Facebook, all conversation is end-to-end encrypted. No middle person can see personal messages or calls. 4. It says your groups will remain private. Means the stuff which we usually share in group will remain private. They will not share with Facebook. 5. It says that they give us an option of disappearing message, in which we can set our messages durability. We can set according to our privacy standards. 6. It says that we can download our data which we have been collecting for years. Our memories which are so precious moments. These are the things which they are not sharing to Facebook and other social media networks. Now it's up to you to choose WhatsApp or to download other social media apps like Signal and Telegram.